Welcome to the unboxing video of the Stimpod NMS460. As you can see, the Stimpod ships from our factory in a plastic casing that we're going to cut open just now. As you can see, Stimpod comes in a very robust, secure plastic case. Well, let's open it up and see what's inside. So the inside of the case is lined with a very high density foam just to keep everything secure and nicely in the middle and protect your Stimpod when it's traveling. Here we have the instructions for use, the manual. We've got 4 ground pads or electrodes. We've got a tube of conducting gel, Stimpod treatment cable or treatment probe, and of course the Stimpod itself. Now let's just have a look at our instruction manual here. This is a very nicely printed instruction manual. It contains all the information that you need to set up the Stimpod just to your liking. See right here, we have the indications for use and also contraindications on the first page. Everything else that you need to set up the Stimpod, go into the menu and customize your default settings. You can find all the details on how to do that in here. On page 9, you'll find the quick start guide. Now, here's some steps that you can follow straight away just to get the Stimpod ready and set up your patient to start treating them immediately. On the final page or the last page of the manual, you can see we have some products and accessories that you can order straight from the AljoMed website. So this cutaway for the gel right here is also big enough for an 8-ounce tube of replacement gel. You can order that straight from our website as well. Move to the treatment cable. You can see that the treatment probe has a very nice ergonomic feel to it. Fits really nicely in your hand, especially if you need to hold it for a long period of time. It also has a very nice cable relief right here. Make sure the cable will last a very long time. The electrode clip is a standard ECG clip. And this just clips onto the top of the grounding pads or electrodes. Keeps and stays secure right there. Lastly, we have the cable connector. And this just goes into the top of the Stimpod. Now looking at the Stimpod itself, the Stimpod's case is made of a robust plastic, has a real nice feel in the hand. The device is not too light and not too heavy, and it's really comfortable when you hold it. Turning it around, you can see on the back there's a multifunctional clip or a stand. You can open this up and set it to varying degrees. Now this allows you to place the Stimpod with the screen always facing up towards you while you are treating a patient. Now this clip can also be extended further open, which allows you to clip the Stimpod onto a drape or even onto the outside of your pocket. On the back of the Stimpod, we can open up the battery compartment. See that the inside has clear indications for the orientation of your batteries. Now the Stimpod runs on 4 AAA batteries. You can use standard alkaline batteries or even rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries. I'm going to insert this battery so you can see how they fit in. The battery compartment closes and secures with a nice tactile click. The front of the Stimpod is a very nice keypad. Buttons are slightly raised. They've got a real nice feel to it. Let's go ahead and put the cable connector into the top of the device. This will also secure with a very reassuring click once it has reached the inside. And let's turn on the device. There you go. So everything fits nice and neat into the Stimpod carry case. There's also some space for extra accessories that you might need or use when you're treating your patients. Thank you very much for watching our video of the Stimpod NMS460 unboxing.